We're trying to figure out if you add two numbers, x plus w, and then you square it, is that number odd? So look at clue 1. X is odd and w is even. If I let x be 5 and if I let w be 6, that's an odd number, that's an even number. If you add an odd number plus an even number, it will always be odd, okay? And if you square an odd number, it's always odd. Think about it. Square 9. 9's odd. 9 squared is 81. 5 squared is 25. It's always odd. So clue 1 works. You add an odd and an even. It always gives you an odd. You square an odd. It gives you an odd. Let's look at clue 2 now. Remember, forget clue 1. Clue 2. X minus w is odd. The only way you can subtract two numbers and get an odd number, one of them has to be even and the other one has to be odd. Okay? So, and then we've got an even and an odd number. If you add those two together like we did in clue 1 and you square it, you always get an odd number. So look at, let's do 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4, that gives you 7. Once again, the only way you can subtract two numbers and get odd is if one's an even number and one's an odd number. And then if you add an odd number plus an even number, that gives you an odd number. And if you square an odd number, it always gives you an odd. So clue 2 also works. So both clues work independently. So your answer is D.